YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel, PJ Ground Pounders. Thank you for rejoining the channel. This is the final part here. I'll be heading back after this, after we take care of a little of his business in Tacoma and Seattle, and we'll be heading on back. From that point, I had to cut the trip short, like I said earlier. I got too tied up in time to make it back home like I wanted to. You got it in.
9,200 exactly.
How many?
9,200.
Yes, that's Canada right there, everybody. So we're gonna look at it from afar. There's the border right there.
Right there.
Yeah. They're gonna send somebody out here. Why? You guys trying to cross, huh? So at this point, we had left Blaine, and we were headed back. We did head back over to Tacoma. No, Seattle. And at that point, we were looking for a Apple store, and we found an Apple store, but they weren't able to repair his phone. So they gave us the address to another Apple store. So when I put that address in my GPS, man, it took us right to Washington State University, man. The game had just ended. You can see the buses right here with the players. It was a mess. We were sitting in traffic there. And the cold part about it is they made an appointment for him at the other store, which was in Tacoma. And we had like 30 minutes to get there. So, man, I was squirming and trying to figure out and bust through this traffic without getting a ticket. And we end up getting up out of here, man. So, enjoy the ride. Basically, you can call this cell phone repair chase at this point. We ain't really ground pounding. We just trying to take care of some business. So when he does get back on the road, he'll be comfortable with what he's doing and be able to do what he does. So enjoy. So before this photo here, we went ahead and had dinner. I bought a pizza, and so I would have something to eat all the way back home. So I put the pizza box in the back of my scoot boot, and we sat down, and he had a steak, and figured out his plan, and kind of just relaxed. He said he hadn't really relaxed the whole trip. He was just pushing and pushing. So we sit and talk for a while, and one of our Seattle brothers came over and met with us for a short time, chill. And So this photo here is after dinner and fueling up, and so after that, I took off. It was like I said, 6:17. So this is just before I got on the freeway to head back to Southern California, and from that point on, it was just a good ride throughout the night. I didn't do any filming or anything. I just got with it, got on home, man. I arrived at home probably around 12 o'clock. Showered up, hung out with the wife for a little while, had dinner, and as you can see, crashed out, man. Went straight to bed, got good rest. So thank you for watching.
For tips, motivation, or just inspiration, subscribe to my channel, PJ Ground Pounders. Let's get prepared and ride.